Okay, today is day 11 or day 12? Now I've forgotten my days also. Okay, it's 11 November, last but one day of the ride. Today we are heading towards Dwaki and current time is around 8:30. So what we'll do is we'll have our breakfast and Cherrapunji and then head towards Dwaki. On the way we'll stop at two falls. One is Narang Falls and another one is, I forgot the name. And then we'll visit the cleanest village in Asia and then head towards Dwaki. So Dwaki we should be reaching around 3 to 4 p.m. and yes, everyone is still getting ready. Okay, good morning. The current time is around 10 a.m. and we have started from Cherrapunji. Heading towards Dwaki. On the way to Dwaki, we will be visiting a couple of waterfalls. Narang waterfalls and another one, I don't know the name. I'll put the name below. So after that we are visiting the cleanest village in Asia and then heading towards Dwaki. If we travel directly from here to Dwaki, it is around 80 kilometers an hour. Since we are taking a couple of deviation, I think today's meter should be showing somewhere around 120 kilometers for the day. So our halt would be in Dwaki. I would say 10 kilometers from Dwaki we are pitching the tent on the riverbed. So, and today being the last day of the ride, it should be a party time. Let's see, based on the arrangements and if we can get everything there. Tomorrow it's a simple ride back to Guwahati. Okay, so we are heading towards Naukalika. So we are at Naukalika Falls. All you can do is watch the falls from a very far distance, I guess. That's it. Yeah. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನೆ 2 ದಿನ ಚಿರಾಪುಂಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ದ್ವಾಕಿ ಹಾಲ್ಟು, ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗುವಾಹಟಿ. ಗುವಾಹಟಿಯಿಂದ ಬೈಕ್ ಲಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಫ್ಲೈಟ್. ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ರಜಾ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ. ಗುವಾಹಟಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು ಶಿಪ್ಪಿಂಗ್, ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ VRL ಲಾರಿ. See you. Okay, nice meeting you. See you, sir. Okay, Okay, we are heading back now from the falls. So town of Dwaki is around 10 kilometers away from Bangladesh border. So once at Dwaki, we'll go to the border, see the border and come back. So ideally in this trip we have seen both the borders, China and the Bangladesh. So that's always fun. It's very rare chance that you get to do multiple borders. Last I remember doing 2 borders was when I went to Nepal. So first India-Nepal border, and then we went to India-Nepal-China border also. I think Nepal-China border is called Tatopani. And this time it was Bomdila Pass and Dwaki. So let's see if I can enter Bangladesh. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಏನಾಯ್ತು
आपके पास रियल है, आपके पास लाइसेंस है, लर्नर लाइसेंस आप कैसे अकेले चल रहे हैं?
आपको डीएल बंदा साथ में चाहिए ना? एल किधर है? चलो पुलिस स्टेशन चलो। अरे भैया हम 2000 किलोमीटर चला के आए अभी तक।
हाँ भैया।
हाँ
मैं मानता हूँ 2003।
हाँ
मैं पर एक बार गलती हो गई, हम बहुत मानता है।
1 second.
अच्छा स्टार्ट ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ
बुला के लाओ
सीधा करना है, बेंड हो गया है
ये ब्रेक कहाँ डालेंगे?
कैसे रखेगा
कहाँ डालेंगे ब्रेक? इनका
ಕಟ್ಟಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಏನು ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ? ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ?
इधर का पैसा दे दो, कट हो गया वो। कई हमें से भी वो यार देने रहेगा।
कितना लगेगा? What a fancy guy. It's very hot, but yes. Currently we are at the Indo-Bangla friendship border. This is Tambel. Behind me is the India-Bangladesh border, and other side is welcome to India. नहीं, मेरा record है. So everyone is busy taking their pics and BSF. 2 हफ्ते. कल वापस गुवाहाटी जाएंगे, वो खत्म. फिल पार्टी
आज भी करने का मन है.
Basically between India, that is India, and this is no man's land, and this is Bangladesh. So basically this is Indian customs and things. So if you are traveling via Tamba border, Tamla, you have to enter your you need to get your stamping done through that place. So you can take vehicles, but it needs a special permission. We need to get the permission from I think this from some Bangladeshi consulate. So basically that's our camping site. You can see the behind. I'll show you again. So a small off-roading path